हेलो फ्रेन्ड्स, वेलकम टु माई न्यू भिडियो। सबभन्दा पहिला धेरै धेरै बधाई छ जनकपुर बोल्ट्स र जनकपुर बोल्ट्सको टिमलाई। हामीहरूको सपोर्ट र उनीहरूको परिश्रमले आज जनकपुर बोल्ट्सले एनपिएलको फाइनल म्याच जित्न सफल भएका छ। अब जितिसकेका छ भने अब कोही बोल्दै रे।
The thrill of victory shines bright in their eyes as they bask in championship glory. In this moment of the hard work, sweat and tears, they remain vindicated. They are champions of the inaugural edition, the first ever Siddhartha Bank Nepal Premier League. Well, NPL has witnessed greatness today, a true masterpiece of sportsmanship, skill and determination. Wow, these are visuals that will stay with us for a lifetime. The adrenaline has been high. The cheers have only gotten deafening with each passing game, and the atmosphere incredible and electric. Well, as we witness these joyous visuals, we have to pay tribute and acknowledge the efforts of each and every team and the players who have produced and poured their hearts and souls into this journey. Also,